Can you understand the story of this botnet? Botnet admin will ask.
You didn't complete it.
Yeah. The botnet admin will ask to send message to company X. All of these guys to send messages to company X simultaneously. What will happen if you receive, right? What will happen if you receive a message million times? Or if you receive million messages, what will happen then? Same time. Wage mobile phone
Overloaded.
It's overloaded. Basically, you can't do anything. You will go offline for a while. Right? Assume that you are providing a service, you are providing a messaging service, but you will go offline for a while.
Is it waste our storage?
Yeah, it's waste in storage, and it's also you cannot send any message to anyone because now your messages are full. Even you try to delete messages, it's full, it's getting full. But this can again ask the botnet admin and can ask send message 100 times. Okay. Or send message continuously. Then, so no option. Then what will happen? These are called distributed denial of services attacks. Right? These are called distributed, can launch distributed denial of service attacks. Why it is distributed? Botnet admin is not going to attack. He's a silent person, a cool guy. He's not going to attack. He asks you all to attack. Now what will happen? You, like soldiers of him, is attacking the particular company X. You don't know what has happened, but you send 100 message to the particular company. Your friend also sent 100 message to the particular company, and others who downloaded the software and using also sending 100 message to that company simultaneously. Let's say 1 million guys sending 100 messages means 100 million messages within a second. Right? So that is the dangerousness. Right? That is the dangerousness of this one. But all the Tisanga, all the recordings are uploaded to Edmodo. You can just watch from there, right? All the Edmodos are added to the Edmodo. You can watch from there, right? Okay, now you see the dangerousness of being a botnet client or zombie. So, do you know your machine is a zombie or not? I think you have a lot of track software in your machines. Maybe your machine is a zombie now. Don't know, because you are using a lot of track software, right? A lot of free software. So can be these things can be there in your computer too. So this is botnet, and you can see, so this is the admin and these are the zombies, right? Admin can ask, hey guys, attack that computer, and you will attack. Right? This is again structure of a botnet. So your computer can attack others without, you don't know actually your computer is a zombie if you don't know. Right, okay, now you know hacking, so malicious software and their issues. Hacking, right? How to prevent from this software, how to prevent malicious software. What kind of things that you can do to prevent this? Yes?
Installing a virus guard.
Installing a virus guard. What else?
Avoid clicking suspicious links.
Avoid clicking suspicious links. Anything else? Not just clicking, avoid clicking and sharing suspicious links. Our friends are doing that, right? So they are sending, if you love this, send it to your, if you love your mother.
So don't send it.
Right?
But you have to don't send that message, no?
Yeah. If you love your if you love your mother, send this to 10 people. You're sending it. Or if you don't send this message, you will die. definitely you will send, right? Or if you get a message like that, you won a lottery, share this to 10 friends and you'll get your gift. You will again share. And if you share this message to 10 groups, a wonder will happen. You will share. If you share this to 5 groups or 5 people, your phone will be automatically charged. You will send the message, right? So those are dangerous, don't say, right? Okay, write down the solutions. Do not click or share suspicious links. Install an antivirus. Install an antivirus. Sorry, what is an antivirus? Third one, keep your virus guard updated. Keep your virus guard updated. Use an anti-malware which can search other malware such as adware, spyware, etc. Use anti-malware. Antivirus is just killing viruses, but anti-malware. Avoid visiting insecure websites and suspicious websites. Please write, right? Do not use unknown free tools. Do not use unknown free tools. Without a proper review. You have to go and check this. There's this kind of tool. Is it a good tool or bad tool? You have to go and read reviews. Okay, what is this? These are can we kill the viruses using virus guard software? Yes, you can. Right? You can kill viruses using virus guard software. You can delete that, but the thing is, so it's difficult to delete, difficult to redo the things that virus guard has done. If virus guard has damaged your data, it is difficult to recover them. Not virus guard. Virus has damaged the data. It is difficult to recover. Okay, think that virus is infected to each file in your computer. Then what will happen? Virus guard will delete all the files. That's like corona. Virus is infected to your cells, and your virus guard system is deleting your cells. Oh, removing your cells. Then it's virus and virus guard both damaging you together. එහෙම වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හරි virus එකක් infect වෙනවා ඔයාගේ file වලට virus guard එක ඔයාගේ file ටික ඔක්කොම කරලා. Then virus has infected and virus guard had deleted the files. So then what will happen? Helpless. Right. So what else you can do? So keep regular backups. Copies of important data. If you have to keep regular backups. Then even virus and virus guard both has damaged your computer and the content. Still you have a solution because you have the backup. Right. The next thing, okay, other than the malware, hacking. How to prevent hacking? Yes, how to prevent hacking? So malware can be stopped like this. Malware can be stopped, or malware issues can be stopped by using these precautions. Hackers. Hello guys.
No idea.
No idea. How to prevent hackers. So follow the above steps. Follow the above steps. Right? So you have to do the same. Follow the above steps. In addition to that, refrain from giving sensitive details to unknown parties. Don't give sensitive details to unknown parties. Even don't give, sorry, refrain, is it correct? We can say avoid giving, right? Sensitive details to unknown parties. You cannot, so don't give your username, don't give your email, password, account details. What are the sensitive information? Account details, PIN numbers, photos, usernames, and passwords. Do not write and keep passwords and PIN numbers do not write and keep the passwords and PIN numbers. Some people I have seen, they wrote password in their, they write password in their in a document and keep it in the desktop, because their password is lengthy. They cannot remember the password since they write the password in the text file, or they write the password in a book and keep it in your, on top of your desk. Then gone. Right? Some people keep the all the passwords in their email and keep the email password in the desktop. ඔක්කොම password එක email එකේ දාලා, ඔක්කොම password එක email එකේ දාලා, email password එක desktop එකේ ලියලා තියෙනවා. නැත්නම් sticker එකක ලියලා තියෙනවා. Don't do that. PIN numbers. Some people keep the PIN number in the pocket with the ATM card. Gone. Right? In spamming means unsolicited, unwelcome. You did not expect, but there are some messages like today there's a giveaway, maybe today there's a offer from Pizza Hut, and if you send this to someone you will get pizza, or click this link you will see a wonder. Sometimes oh, you won a lottery, like say it says you won 9,000 USD. To get this amount you have to deposit $9 to your, and show the validity, or show the validity of your account. Likewise you will get. Again, all $900ක් දීලා තියෙනවා, 1000ක් දීලා තියෙනවා, $9ක් deposit කළා, ඒක ඊට පස්සේ වාට ඉතුරු ටික ගන්න පුළුවන්. So likewise you will get messages, but those are fake, spams. So sometimes those are called scams. What is scam? Spam means unsolicited messages. What is scam? Someone said about scam. What is scam?
Don't know.
Don't know. But scam means, okay, sometimes have you seen that? So if you upload the pictures to this site, you will get money. Or if you continue clicking advertisement, you will get money. So sometimes those kind of things are there. Have you seen those? If you play this game continuously, you will get money. Haven't you seen those?
Yes, sir.
If you continue
Yes,
to play,
sir.
okay, you can see some amount also. සමහර amounts උත් ඔයාගේ account එකේ පෙන්නනවා තියෙනවා. Right? Some of the amounts you can see in your stream, or you can see, okay, I have earned this much, I have earned this much, and some people are telling that this is not false, I have earned. So then how it can be a scam? සමහර කට්ටිය කියනවා මට ඇත්තටම හම්බුණා සල්ලි මෙච්චර හම්බුණා කියලා කියනවා. There are some of my friends doing that, telling that they tell that it's okay, so I got this much of money. How much? So I got this $200, $100. So where's the money? It's in my account. Where's the account? I have not withdrawn the money. Still, that is in that site account. Right? They are telling like that. Then I ask, okay, so show me after withdrawing this. Then they are telling, okay, something has happened. My account is banned. Now I cannot access my account. My account password is wrong. They have banned my account. Likewise. That is not true. Scam means something which is not genuine. Scam means something, a campaign or offer, but which is not genuine. That is called scam. So here see the lotteries and all scams. Right? Scam means something. So they are trying to put, they are trying to capture you, but actually nothing will happen. You are fascinated to use that site. You are fascinated to play that game. You think that you are earning, but you are not. That is called scam. A false offer. So you can say a false offer. So that is the best way. False offer. Best thing to. And fraud means like credit card fraud. Misuse your financial assets. That is called fraud. Maybe stealing money from your pocket, credit card, or paying from another person's credit card fraud. You always notice some money is deducted from your account. You will not notice because you don't have account, right? Anyway, your parents might notice this. So that is called fraud. So you know what? One person has done this. So I found recently in a notice in a newspaper when I was reading. So one has asked the kid to send a photo of father's credit card. Only that, right? Ask the so. When someone asks like that, what do you do? Are you sending that? Not the actual credit card, no? Not the actual credit card, only a photo. They?
Not sending.
Yeah, what will happen if you send?
He will know all the banking details.
Yeah, he will get all the bank details. Not only that. Right? ඒකේ තියෙනවනේ අර දෙපැත්තේ තියෙනවනේ card එකේ තියෙනවා CVC number කියලා තියෙනවා expiry date තියෙනවා card number. If you have those things, anyone can steal money from the card. No need to have the physical card. Physical credit card එක ඕනේ අරක තියෙනවනම් සල්ලි මිනිස්සුන්ට ගන්න පුළුවන්. So those are called credit card frauds. Okay, let's the remaining things let's try it in the next day. For today I'm going to finish the class with that. Right, the balance let's try it in the next day.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye, sir. Good night, sir.
Right.